In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lovable AI interface. By the end, you'll know exactly where everything is, how to start a project, and how to share or upgrade when you're ready. Once you log in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Think of this as your mission control. From here, you can see your projects at a glance and start building new ones. It's a clean layout, so don't worry if you're new. Everything you need is only a click or two away. On the left, the sidebar is your navigation hub. Home brings you back to the dashboard. Search lets you quickly find any project. Recent shows what you opened last, while all projects lists everything you've created. Start is perfect for your most important work. Shared with me collects items others have granted you access to. Discover showcases public examples to spark ideas. Templates helps you jumpstart builds with ready-made structures. And Learn takes you to tutorials and guides. If you need the website, the link is at the top of the description so you can follow along. To start a new project, click the main input box in the center and simply describe what you want to build. Be as specific as you can. For example, you might ask for a task management web app with user login, a dashboard, the ability to add, edit and delete tasks, task statuses like to do, in progress and done, and a clean, modern interface. Clear instructions here save you time later. Inside that prompt area, you'll see a few helpful tools. Use the attach button to upload files or references, like a brand guide or example data. Pick a theme to set the visual style up front. Plan is where you choose between the free or paid tiers. When you're ready, hit the send arrow and let Lovable generate your app. If you'd rather not start from scratch, scroll to templates and browse pre-built ideas such as dashboards, landing pages, or SaaS tools. You can customize any template after opening it. To manage what you've made, open My Projects or All Projects. From there, you can open existing apps, rename them for clarity, duplicate a version before big changes, or delete ones you no longer need. When it's time to collaborate, click Share Lovable to invite teammates or stakeholders. This is great for feedback, pair building, or showcasing progress. And if you need more power, features, or higher limits, you can upgrade to Pro at any time. Start free and upgrade only when your workflow calls for it. That's the tour. If this helped, don't forget to check the link at the top of the description, and thanks for watching.